While we've got plenty of smartphones left to come in 2021, we're excited for the Oppo Find X4, which will probably be here in early 2022. It's set to be the flagship phone line for Oppo for the year. The Oppo Find X3 Pro, Find X3 Neo and Find X3 Lite in 2021 brought us a true premium, mid-range, and budget champion respectively, with each packing top specs for their price, and it's likely their Find X4 counterparts will be the same. Indeed, Oppo's Find X line has come to represent true premiumness, and the handsets rival the Xiaomi Mi, Samsung Galaxy S and OnePlus phones that come out around the same time, though so far those devices have tended to rank higher in our list of the best smartphones. We haven't heard anything about the Oppo Find X4 series of phones just yet. When we do, we'll add the news and rumors to this article. Until then, though, we've included our predictions as to the phone's price and release date, and a list of what we want to see in the next series of phones. If precedent is anything to go by, there will be a launch event for the Oppo Find X4 series in late March 2022, with a release date in April. The world could completely change before then though, so don't take those as given. Regarding prices, there will probably be a Pro, Neo and Lite entry in the line, as a top-end, mid-range, and entry-level entry respectively, each with a different price, so the Oppo Find X4 line could hit a few price points. However, at least for the Pro models, we've consistently complained about the high prices of those phones, so hopefully we could see a lower cost.